N- This is a bathroom, new construction in 6th floor, 5th floor probably. So this is a small bathroom. Have a look. Very small. Next 10 days this will be getting ready. Therefore, the entire bathroom, room, whole kitchen will be getting ready by next 10 days. March 15, March 20, including the painting, will be getting ready. This is a small bathroom. This is a small room. In this main concern is, in this there will be no windows. The reason why they are going to put here seat above seat. After putting the roof seat, then they will make window here. Here they will be making small window. Small window in the sense small door. Small door. And this is owner made this small room for the purpose of washing machine. So I asked with them, they are going to keep washing machine here. They are going to keep washing machine here. Just have a look the view. Thereafter, next to this, they will put here balcony, small balcony, understand? Small rod. They will be removing this water pipe. They will remove this water pipe and this small balcony. This is a window. This is a window. Window. And this is water tank. This water tank they will keep in the off after completing this construction. Just have a look. Let me show the view. So this is a new house, new room, and also new tiles, new painting. So this will be new room. This is the advantage of staying here. Here they will put the molding. They are not going to put seat here. That side small room is there. On that they are going to put the roof seat. But here they are going to make the molding on above. On above they will be making molding roof. So have a look. They will remove this water tank after completing the construction. This is a window. This is a window. This is a house door. This is the kitchen door. This is the kitchen door. So if you look here, kitchen also very small. Kitchen also very small. Just the purpose of living 2 person here. 2 person agreement. The rent will be 6,500. 6,500. Location Bangalore Halsuru. So you can see a small pipe. They are going to make here vessel washing. They will make a sink, vessel washing sink. They will make here, and they started making water pipeline, small here, which you can have a look. They kept here. Still they are making molding roof and the above. So have a look. I'm showing the view. Coming to the exit of the house door, you can see here small balcony. here. They are going to put the molding here. I think this is okay for just purpose of living 2 person or 1 person, because that is not very expensive also. The advance also very less, just 30,000 rupees advance, and since I'm recommending, it is 5,000 rupees rent, including water bill, current bill probably. So you can have a look. That building which you seen, that is the RMZ building, RMZ software company building. That hill, mountain, rock which you are seeing, that is a military camps of Indian Army. You can have a look. This is small bathroom, and going towards, this is small room which you can see, small room. This is the purpose of actually keeping a washing machine. For that purpose only the building owner has made, because they may want it to use in the future, maybe next decade. That's why they made in the advanced manner. Coming to this is the going down route. Which are seen a black color water tank. They are going to remove this black color water tank, and after removing, they will be keeping it top on the terrace, which you can see. They're going to do molding there. After doing molding, they will keep it on the terrace. So that's it for today. Just have a look. If you like, if you interest, you can just decide and take a decision yourself. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.